Hey everybody, this is Matt Stone and I am back in Highland, Utah, about to take a tour of one of the new floor plans with Ivory Homes. So we are in the development that's in Highland, as I just said. We're on North County, right by the Lone Peak High School. So new development, homes still available here, as well as new sites that are going to be in their next phase. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so what do you think of this home? Leave it in the comments or reach out to me personally with my contact information that's below. And I hope you'll check back as I make more Utah video home tours and let me know what you think. If you have any questions about anything, if you'd like some help getting into a home here in Utah, please let me know. I'd love to help you.